In this video, I'm going to talk about diminished and augmented chords. The easiest way to think about it is taking a minor or a major chord and altering it. So for diminished chords, you should think about it as altering a minor chord. And for augmented chords, you want to think about it as altering a major chord. The easiest way to build a diminished chord is by doing all minor thirds. So let's say that we have a G diminished chord. So we're going to start on G because that's the name of the triad. And then we're going to build our snowman, making sure they're all on lines. And then the only difference between diminished and augmented is the change in accidentals. It has nothing to do with changing the order of the notes or anything. So think about it as in building minor thirds. So we start on G, and a minor third means that it's going to be 3 half steps. So from G, 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, would be B flat. The reason why it's not A sharp is because the note has to be a B, so therefore it's B flat. Then from B flat, a minor third, which again is 3 half steps, would be 1, 2, 3, D flat. Remember, it's not C sharp because the note has to be a D, so it's D flat. And this would be our diminished chord. So let's build another one just for example. So this time, let's say that we want an F diminished chord, or we'll do F sharp just to get more accidentals in. So you put your F sharp, and then you have to do the spaces above, making the snowman. So starting on F sharp, we're going to count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, to an A, so we can just leave the A, and then the A needs 3 half steps, so 1, 2, 3, and we land on C, so you leave the C alone as well. Now talking about augmented, that means that we're altering the major chord. So for example, let's say that we have a D major chord, which would be D, F sharp, and A. In order to make it augmented, all we have to do is raise the 5th. So now we have an augmented chord. So let's say that I want a C sharp augmented chord. So what we do is start on C sharp, and then we build our snowman. Then we have to figure out the accidentals. So first, let's make it a C sharp major chord. And C sharp, we have lots of sharps. So if you think about it, we have F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. So we know that this E and this G need to be sharped in order to fit within the major. Now we want to make it augmented, which means that we need to raise the 5th. In order to raise the 5th, it needs to be double sharped because it's already sharped. So remember, double sharp means that you put a little X. So we would have C sharp, E sharp, and G double sharp. So remember, the difference is that with augmented, you're taking a major chord and raising the 5th. And diminished, you're putting down the root, and then you build all minor thirds.